Good morning students. Today we are going to learn a subject name as maths and our lesson number 1. Special understanding. Special understanding means what? Can you all guess it? Yes. Special understanding means size, shapes, etc. Okay? This is called special understanding. For I will give 2-3 examples for you all. Size means you all know that there will be size will be different, like big, small, medium, or large. Yes, children. So shape means there will be different kinds of shape, like rectangle, square, triangle, circle shape, oval shape. These are all called shapes, and there are different kinds of shapes. Example. Now this is a big tree. Now see, I will draw small tree. This is small tree. So special understanding means it indicates size, shapes, and all etc. Okay. This is a shapes. Now see, the tree is in which size? Big size. Yes, tree is in big size. So we can write it as a big tree. And here we can write small tree. Small tree. Shall I do one more example? I will do it second example. Okay. Now see, this is big ball, and here is a small ball. Yes. Yes, children. This is which size ball is this? This is a big size ball. Big size ball. And here is a small size ball. Yes, children. Today we are going to learn about first size. That is small and bigger. Small and big size we are going to learn. Okay, children? Yes. See, like this book, in this book. See here, in this book, first we have to write lesson number 1. Today's date you have to put. Then you have to write special understanding. Then you have to write special understanding. Okay, children? Yes. And I will give you some exercise. Okay? That you have to write like this neatly. Okay, children? Yes. Here are some examples, okay? Big and small. In this special understanding, today we are going to learn about big and small. Okay? This is our first topic. Now I will draw one big rectangle. Triangle here, okay? One big triangle. So, how is this triangle? Is this big or small? It is big. Yes, it is big. So we have to write here big. Next here I will draw small triangle. Yes, and in this we can learn about the shape also. Okay children, we can learn about the shapes also. Which shape is this? Triangle shape. So which size is this? How much big? This is big size of triangle. Now this shape is called also a triangle. But is this big or small? It is small. Yes, this is small triangle. Okay. Next second one. Now I will draw a tree. Is this tree big or small? This tree is big. Yes, right. This tree is very big. Now I will draw small tree. Big and small. So here, first example. Which shape is this? This is a triangle shape. Now I have drawn two triangles here. Which is the big triangle here? Yes, this one. This is a big triangle. So we have to write here big triangle. Okay children, here we have to write big triangle. Next, here this is small. This is small. This is a small triangle. So you have to write here a small triangle. Okay. Now say along with me. This is big triangle and small triangle. Which is a big triangle? This is a big triangle. And this is a small. This is a small triangle. Yes, children. Now here, which tree is very big and which is small? This is big tree and this is small tree. So here you have to write big tree. Here small tree. Yes children? Yes. Here this is big tree and this one is a small tree. I have drawn two trees. Yes. In this two tree, this is a big tree and this is a small tree. Now shall we go to third example. See, what is this? We can say this is a ball and ball is a circle shape. Yes children, ball is a circle shape. Now here, have you all know which is a big and which is a small? Which is a big ball and which is a small ball? Yes, right. This is a big ball. So here you have to write big ball. And this one, small ball. Yes, this is a small ball. Next, as we all know, we love ice cream. Yes, children. Yes, and see this shape. This shape is a cone shape. Yes, this is the cone shape. This is. Yes, children, this is the cone shape. And in this two drawing, which is the big and small, which is a big ice cream and small ice cream? Yes, this is a big ice cream. So you have to write big ice cream. Big ice cream. Next here, small ice cream. Yes, very good. This is a small ice cream. Next, which shape is this? This is a square shape. Yes, children? Yes. This is a square shape. So here, which in these two shapes, which is big and small? Correct. This is big. So you have to write here big square. Big square. And this is small square. Now have you all understood, children? Which is what is the size? What do you mean by size and what do you mean by shape? Yes, size means there is different sizes. Big, small, large and medium. These are all called size. But we used to indicate big and small only as a size. So these are 4 to 5 examples. In your rough note, you have to solve this. Okay? Draw neatly and you have to identify the shapes. Okay? And our now second topic is top and bottom. What do you mean by top and bottom? Top and bottom means our upper part. Means this is, now see, I have kept one thing here, speaker. Okay, so this is our upper part and this is our down part. Even you can take example for book also. See, this in upper part there is a blue color and see down part there is a green color. Yes children, see, green and blue something color is mixed. This is upper part and this is lower part. For them we used to call top and bottom. Now here is few examples. 3 examples I have given. Okay, this shape, which shape is this? Cone shape. Yes children, this is cone shape. Now in this cone shape also we can see where which is the bottom and which is the bottom. Okay children? Yes. So where is the top in this cone? Which is the top? This one is the top. So we can write here as top and you have to underline this. Okay children, this is a top. This sharp point is called a top and here this is curved. Here is this a curved shape. This curved shape down part is called bottom. This down part is called bottom. What we call this? Bottom. And this point and this sharp point is called top. Now here, see, I have drawn one box. One box that shape I have drawn. So here, for example, if you take this box. If you take this box and I have closed this. Okay children, I have closed this. See the shape of this box. See the shape of this box is like this. Yes. From up if we see, from down if we see in the side part, this is, we call this as a top. And see here the down part, how it has been here. This is a bottom. Okay children, so here you have to write top. Okay, this is a box part. We have separated the box part, top and bottom. So this is a bottom. So we have to write here as a bottom. Okay children. Where is the top part in this box? This is a top part. Where is the bottom part? Here, this is a bottom. Okay children, have you all understood? Once again we will revise it. Top and bottom. Top and bottom means what? Upper part and lower part. Okay? If you see here, this up they have some 2 wires in this. Okay children, so this is upper part. See the shape of this like this. No, this shape is like this. Yes, so this is called upper part. See down also same shape has given and same size. So this is called a bottom part. Okay children, have you all understood? Now third topic we are going to learn less and more. Okay children, less and more we are going to learn. Shall we all learn this? Yes, come. Less and more. What do you mean by less and more? Yes, tell me what do you mean by less and more? Yes, less means the quantity will be very less, and more means we get. For example, a mother, she used to buy and give us chocolate. For brother, she will give more chocolate, and for sister, she will give little bit of chocolate. Yes, you will see small example over here. In the box, one man has kept a few balls, very small, less balls in this. Okay. And in the another box, in one box, the man has kept less man has kept few number of balls, and here he has kept some number of balls. So if you count this and this, we will get to know which is less and which is more. Okay, children? Yes. See now here how many balls are here? We will count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Only 8 balls are there. Okay, now here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Here there's 18 balls, and here there's 8 balls. Then in which box the ball is very less? Yes, in this ball is very less. In first box, in one box there is very less balls. So we can write here as less. We can write here as less. Now here there is so much of balls. There are uncountable balls. Yes. So we can write here as more. What we have to write? More. Yes, children. More balls. Here he has kept less balls, and here the man kept more balls to play. Another example. See children, in this second picture there is a tree. Which tree is this? Apple tree. In this apple tree there are lots of apples. And see this second, another tree, there is very small amount of apples. Then we can identify. Yes, we can know that in which tree there is more apple and in which tree there is very less apple. Yes, can you all tell me in which tree there is more apples? Yes, very good. In this tree we get more apples. So you have to write here more. and here you have to write less. Okay children? Now third example we will see. Okay, in a box has kept one fruit here. We will draw banana. Okay, we will draw banana. Banana here, okay? Banana. And now see, in second box, there are lots of fruits. Fruit. Which fruit is this? This is a mango fruit. This is a mango fruit. Mango fruit are there, apple fruit is there, and one banana fruit also was there. Yes children, one banana. Here also one banana fruit was there. So this is a fruit box. Actually this is a fruit box. In which fruit box the fruit is less and more? In this the fruit is less. Yes children, in this box the fruit was less. So you can write here as less. And here you can write as more. Yes children. Now have you all understood what is less and more? What do you mean by less and more? Okay children. See, once again I will revise it for you. See here there are countable balls are the countable balls mean there is less ball. Few balls was there in the box. We have counted, yes. Here 8 balls are there and in the another picture there is 18 balls are there. Then we can know that which box ball is very less. In this box the ball is very less. So how many balls are there? 8 balls. 8 ball means there is less ball. This is less, this is more. Okay. Now here in another picture I have drawn tree also. In tree there are so many apples was there. And in another tree there was very less apple. Yes children. So in this tree there is no more apple. And in another tree there was very less apple. And see third picture. In this third picture, in one box, there are so many fruits was there. So many fruits like mango, apple, banana, orange, it was there. But how much? Very less amount of fruit was there in the box. And in this, so much fruits was there and fruits was there. Different kinds of fruit also was there like banana, apple, orange, mango and pineapple. This all was there in this box. So we call this as a more. Okay children.